Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, my students. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day wherever you are listening to me. Wherever you are watching this channel, I say good morning, good evening, good afternoon. You are highly welcome to the Physics and Mathematics Dismantle channel. This is another episode of today. This is a kind of question given to us by another student. I want to appreciate every brain that behind this channel, and I want to appreciate those people that have been doing something like this, such as one of the brothers that I used to that I'm aiming to see one day, which I believe is doing good, which is Abdul Wakil Wiki. I love the way that the guy used to promote the education, and I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will continue to bless him and beyond. And whatever that happened to be a soul in his heart, I pray that Allah will continue to make him happy. And for the one that I knew that he wants Allah to do urgently, I pray that Allah will do it for him. Allahumma rabbana abulana min aswajina wa dhurriyyatina qurrata a'yun waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will use it for him. Therefore, he also will be able to be using that rabbana for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even in a quiet, even in a very fastest way, I wish it for him. Akígbègbè ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi alápọ̀nlé tí ẹ̀yin gbọ́ mi, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí, gbogbo student pátá tó ń kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lórí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ̀yin lágbára Elédùà, ìmọ̀ yín ò ní jọba o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń follow ẹ̀, tẹ́ ń like ẹ̀, tẹ́ ń share ẹ̀, I pray, mo gbà ládùúrà pé kí Ọlọ́run kí ó tún bá mi ṣàlékún mi ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan yín. Gbogbo ń tẹ́ wá kọ́ ń bí, ẹ make sure pé ẹ̀yin náà ń lò níta, ẹ máa fọ́n káàkiri, ẹ gbìyànjú ẹ máa bá wa share ń tẹ́ bá ti ń wò ń bí, ẹ bá wa share ẹ̀ káàkiri, ẹ bá wa subscribe ẹ bá wa subscribe sí, ẹ like ẹ comment. Tẹ́yin náà bá dẹ̀ ní question, ẹ forward ẹ̀ sí wa. Màá kọ nọ́mbà mi sójú board nsìn, I understand. Màá kọ nọ́mbà mi sójú board. Therefore, everybody bá ti fẹ́ send a message, WhatsApp number mi nìyẹn. Just give me any question. Therefore, we'll solve it for you. I believe that one, inshallah, Rahman, we'll make sure that we do that. Therefore, please, my dearest brothers and sisters that listen to me, mo kí ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan wa pé Ọlọ́run ọba tó ga jùlọ yóò bá ń ṣàánú ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan yín. Gbogbo ibi tó ń dùn yín, tẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ lórí iṣẹ́ yín, Ọlọ́run yóò fún yín lọ́gbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye, tẹ́yìn náà fi di ọ̀gá rẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èyí tó ní ìṣòro tí wọ́n fún wa, student kan ló tó mọ̀ wá fún wa. Kí ni ìṣòro náà? Òun náà làwọn olùdí pátákó yìí. Ó ní 81 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s all over 9 raised to power s. Wọ́n á ní pé ó jẹ́ 4. What I'm saying is that 81 raised to power s plus 9 raised to power s divided by 9 raised to power x is equal to 4. They ask us to look for the value of x. What is the value of x, my dearest brother? Now, ìṣòro yìí, ọgbẹ́ wo ládàá sí? Kí n tó máa lọ, mo fẹ́ ká kọ́ mọ̀ wípé there is no problem in mathematics that doesn't have a rules. Even if you are using a trick, in mathematics, that trick must be a valid one, because you cannot a trick that you use for one that it is not acceptable in the other, same question, same style, it is not a trick, then that trick must be justified for all other questions. That is what I believe is that. Please, those of you that you are watching this video, make sure you share it. If you don't share it, other people will not be benefit from here. You might understand this, you might understood what is on chalkboard. You might be an encyclopedia of mathematics, but you have an opportunity to share it. I want you to understand that there are thousands of people outside there that they need our help, but they don't have money. but the only thing they have access to is social media. They can still learn here if you help us to follow, if you help us to share it. Then you can see me at the Instagram at Tshocon786. Then when you want to check for my Instagram, then go for my Instagram handle. That is Adeshocon786. Then you will see it there. That is it. Then watch me on Instagram, you watch me on TikTok, then WhatsApp as well, Facebook, I'm also there, which is normal thing. Try as much as possible to share this video. When you follow me, remember that thousands of people that need it from your own side as well will be able to see this. Thank you so much for doing that, and I pray that the Lord will continue to bless it and everyone of us. Now let's go. Let's solve the problem. Remember that there is a principle that says that a raised to power x, or let me have it like a times b, everything raised to power x. Do you believe it is the same thing as a raised to power x times b raised to power x? If you don't believe me, let me just put it in a simple sense. We have 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power what? 2. I said it can be like this. Don't forget that 2 raised to power 5 is 2 times 5, which is 10 raised to power 2 to give you what? 100. Now let me prove it, whether it is going to form this or not. Therefore, we have 2 raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 5 raised to power 2 is 25. 4 times 25, you see, is 100. That is normal thing. Once you have that principle like that, you don't have any problem. Now, any moment you now have this one as an addition. Addition, now you need to factorize whether you like it or not. Just factorize. That one, it is not just like you are multiplying. We need to factorize here. What's common to 81? What's common to 9? X. Simply means that we factorize that we have 9 raised to power x into bracket of anywhere to factorize this, we are going to have 9 raised to power x here plus what? 1. Then everything all over 9 raised to power x. Simply means that this, we cancel this. Don't forget that everything equals to what? Equals to 4. Then at that junction, you only have something called 9 raised to power x plus what? 1 equals what? Equals 4. When you have it something like that, then when you have something like what? When you have something like this, then what is the next thing? You collect what? Collect like terms. We have 9 raised to power x equals to 4 minus 1. Then any moment you have something like this, don't forget that we said 9 raised to power x is equal to 4 minus 1 will give you what? 3. Then let's write this one in terms of it, which is 3 raised to power 2s equals to 3 raised to power 1 equal base. You have your equal base to be equals to 2s equals to what? 1. Divide both sides by 2. You add this one, then your x equals to what? Half. Can you see? See how simple is it? And that is the correct answer. There is no anywhere you want to take this thing to. Do you understand? If you want to know, put this half here, put this half here, put this half here, and add it together. What is the anything raised to power half is going to be square root of that. Then square root of this. Add it together and divide it by the square root of this one. You know that you are going to get what? You are going to get 4. That one is sure. We don't dispute that. And that is the end of this simple question that somebody gave it to us. I pray that the Lord Almighty will continue to bless and every one of us. Ẹ ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò kàn nìyí. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi gbìyànjú ẹjọ́ ẹ follow mi. Ẹ bá mi gbìyànjú ẹ share rẹ̀ kí ẹlòmíì náà tó náà nídìí rẹ̀. Ìwọ létí mọ́ fẹ́lòmíì náà láyé jẹ́ kó náà mọ̀ nípa ìrànlọ́wọ́ títí ẹ. Who knows who will help us tomorrow? Who knows the work we are going to do that Allah will bless it for you. Thank you so much. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbọ́ kàn nìyí. Ẹ ṣé o. I really appreciate you. A tún máa pàdé ní episode mi.